How do you troubleshoot electrical systems with intermittent faults? Breaking news for electrical engineers and technicians. The question on many minds right now is how to effectively troubleshoot electrical systems with intermittent faults. These faults can be elusive, appearing and disappearing unpredictably, making them a challenge to identify and fix. If you are dealing with such issues, you are not alone. Let's break down the steps to tackle these frustrating problems. First, gather all relevant system information and history. Collect wiring diagrams, component specifications, and any previous fault records. Understanding when the faults occur, such as under load or during temperature changes, will help narrow down the search. Next, conduct a thorough visual inspection. Check all wiring, connectors, terminals, and components for signs of damage. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or wear. Many intermittent faults arise from poor contacts or mechanical stress. Utilize diagnostic tools to aid in your troubleshooting process. Digital multimeters, oscilloscopes, and thermal imaging cameras are essential for monitoring voltage, current, and temperature variations. Analyzing waveforms with an oscilloscope can reveal voltage and current oscillations that point to faults. Isolate and test sections of the circuit systematically. Switch off branches or disconnect components one at a time while monitoring the system behavior. This method can help localize the fault effectively. Be on the lookout for arcing and series faults. These can occur when a loose or cracked conductor creates a high-resistance path, generating heat and plasma arcs. While these faults may not trip breakers immediately, they can cause damage over time. Perform a failure mode and effects analysis to predict where intermittent faults could occur. This analysis helps prioritize your testing efforts based on the likelihood of faults appearing. Continuous monitoring is key. Use data loggers or smart sensors to capture transient events, as intermittent faults may not show up during initial testing. Reviewing logged data can reveal patterns that trigger these faults. Once you identify the fault location, repair loose connections, replace damaged wiring, or swap out defective components. After making repairs, retest the system under the same conditions that previously caused the fault to ensure it is resolved. Lastly, implement preventive measures. Proper cable management, securing all connections, and using protective devices can help reduce the chance of intermittent faults returning. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot electrical systems with intermittent faults, ensuring they operate smoothly and reliably. Stay tuned for more updates and tips in the world of electrical engineering.